Hey, it's Allison from Computers.mom, and today's video will show you how to change the default save location for Microsoft Word files, and this will also work for Excel and PowerPoint. Don't worry about taking notes as you watch, because you'll find a recap of the steps all on one page near the end of this video. To get started, open Word and open any document. When I'm ready to save this document, I'm going to click the Save button right here. Alternatively, click the File menu and choose Save, or use the keyboard shortcut Control-S. Any of those three methods will work, so use whichever one you prefer. The Save window appears, and it might look like this. Let's zoom in so we can see it better. Here's the file name, which Word filled in. That's just a suggestion, and you can edit it if you want. But here in the middle of the Save window, it shows you where the document will be stored. This is the default location, the place where your document will be saved unless you choose something else. Right now, it's set to automatically save in the Documents folder, which is pretty normal. Documents is kind of like the filing cabinet for all of your stuff. But notice that it's the Documents folder in my OneDrive account. If you're not familiar with OneDrive and what that means, check out our video explaining OneDrive basics linked above and in the description of this video. If I want to save this document somewhere else, perhaps not in OneDrive but on my local computer, then I have to click More Options. Let's zoom out again, then Browse, and then navigate to the folder where I want the document to be saved, let's say on the desktop. That's a lot of steps. And if you're constantly having to do this, it can be pretty annoying. It's faster to change the default save location. Here's how. In Word, click File on the upper left. Then on the very bottom of the File menu, click Options. Let's zoom back in again. In the window that appears, click Save on the left. And in the Save options, check the box next to Save to Computer by Default. Then here, next to the default local file location, click Browse. Select the folder where you want your future files to go. I'm going to choose the Documents folder on the local computer, not in OneDrive. Once you've selected the location, click OK. You come back to the Options window and you can see the location you selected listed in the box here. If it's correct, click OK to save the changes. Now let's zoom back out and test it. I'm going to create a new blank document and click Save again. Uh-oh, Word is still saving in the same place. What happened? Very simple. You have to close Word and reopen it for the changes to take effect. Now, if we create a new document and save it, it will automatically offer us the location we selected. That's all there is to it. Here's a quick recap of the steps, all on one page for your convenience. To change the default file save location in Word on a Windows PC, open Word to any document, click File, Options, Save, check the box next to Save to Computer by Default, then next to the default local file location, click Browse. Select the folder where you want your future files to go by default and click OK. Click OK again to save the changes, and close and reopen Word. And remember that these same steps can also be used for Excel or PowerPoint. Thanks for watching. Please click like if you found this helpful. Feel free to leave comments and questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more Computers.mom videos.